Quick, give me the telescope, yelled Shuckworth. With one hand, he focused the telescope, and with the other, he flipped the switch connecting him to ground control. Now, what happened? What he has done? He said, "Quick, give me the telescope, please." And he shouted, okay? Shuckworth shouted, and he said, what he did with his one hand, he focused on the telescope, and with the other, he just did what? He just fumbled the switch connecting him to the ground control. "Hello, Houndstone," he cried into the mic. "There's something crazy going up here." Okay, he said that, "Houndstone, there is something crazy going on here. There's a thing orbiting ahead of us, and it is not like any spaceship I have ever seen, that's for sure." Okay, he said that that's for sure. I have not seen such a thing that is orbiting around here. "Describe it at once," ordered ground control in Houndstone. Okay, Houndstone, what he said, "Please describe me at once." "It is all made of glass and is a kind of square, and it's got lot of people inside it. They are all floating about like fish in a tank." Okay, now there what he said that it's all made of glass with a square in shape, and it consists of lots of people inside it, and they are doing what? They are floating about like just like a fish in a tank. "How many astronauts on board?" Okay, then the ground control, he asked, "How many astronauts are there?" "None," said Suckworth. They can't possibly be astronaut." Okay, he said that there is no one astronaut because they cannot possibly be astronaut. "What makes you say that?" Okay, now a question was been ordered from the ground control, that what made you say so? "Because at least three of them are in nightshirts." He said that at least three of them are what? Three of them are with nightshirts. "Don't be a fool," Shuckworth nabbed ground control. Okay, then Shuckworth, the ground control said that, "Don't be a fool. Pull yourself together, man. This is serious." Okay, now you have to look onto the matter about it very seriously because it's a serious matter. "I swear it." Okay, now Shuckworth, the poor Shuckworth, what he said, "I swear it," cried poor Shuckworth. "There are three of them in nightshirts." Okay, he said that three of them are in nightshirts, two old men and one old man. Two old women are there and one old man is there. "I can see them clearly." Okay, he can see them clearly. "I can even see their faces. They are about 90 years old." Okay, a full description was now given by Shuckworth, that what? There are three of them are in nightshirt, two old women are there, on the other hand one old man is there, and he can clearly see the picture out there, and he can even see how much clear it is visible to him, that even he can see their faces, and they are all about 90 years old. Now you see, in this particular chapter they are just trying to focus on the power of imagination. You see, earlier, no one had never thought of that we will have an online class that we are having now. Nowadays, we can even see pictures of one another. We can share pictures of one another. We can have chats over video. We are having now online classes. These all are possible just because of imagination. Okay, when imagination is there, people start to work on that. In the same way, this particular chapter is also based on imagination, where sometime it may happen that we will have a space hotel, space luxury hotel. This particular chapter, it's fully depend on the power of imagination. Okay, thank you.